In a sleepy town, rumors of a vampire lurking in the old library spread like wildfire. The townsfolk, armed with garlic and wooden stakes, gathered to confront the creature. As they tiptoed through the dusty aisles, a loud sneeze echoed. "Bless you," someone whispered. "Thanks," replied a voice from the shadows. It was just old Mr. Jenkins, the librarian, with a cold. "I told you I'm allergic to dust, not sunlight!" He chuckled, holding up a tissue. The townsfolk laughed, realizing their mistake. "Next time, let's hunt for a dust bunny instead," someone joked.